So welcome everybody. Thank you for taking the time to be on this webinar. As you might be aware, this is this is the second in our series of webinars. We had our first webinars on dashboards and designing dashboards. Today the theme is Does Your Data Lie? And it really talks about what goes inside of your visual application, your dashboard, and your other types of self-service applications, whatnot. So we'll be talking to you today about some of the do's, don'ts, processes that lead to good visualizations. How do you pick your visualizations, things like that. So a little bit about Amtex Systems, Amtex BI. We have been working closely with information builders for 2 decades now, nearly 2 decades now, in several capacities. We started out as a product QA, product development partner for information builders. And the last 10 years or so, we have been professional services partners, implementing solutions with different customers. Again, proactive customer engagement, and we've been on the innovation side of things, meaning strategic advisory, and all the way from building your applications and managing it for you. So again, a quick overview, numbers wise, we've worked with more than 150 customers, implementing solutions for them through this partnership with information builders. It's been a successful partnership on both ends. Again, 250 plus applications, and still learning a lot, still learning the new products, and excited to be on this journey with information builders. We have a total of about 150 people that are exclusively dedicated to the information builders practice. Some on the managed services side, some on the product development side, product QA side, and some on the professional services application build side. So that's kind of a little bit about who Amtex Systems is, who Amtex BI is, and our partnership with information builders. And what you see here is some of the clients that we've worked with. This is not by no means a comprehensive list, but we are either continuing to work with some of the people that you see here: AutoZone, Ford, ACI, Ace Hardware. These are some of information builders, customers that have been using their products for a very long time, and we have been fortunate to be associated with them also for a very long time. Some housekeeping items. So we were thrilled with the interaction we had with our previous webinar. So please keep the questions coming, whether it's a tactical question or if it is related, to the slides being presented, to the process, do's, don'ts. Do not hold back. Please ask us our questions. We'll try to get to your questions as much as possible. Sometimes within the webinar, the time frame of the webinar, sometimes right after that. So please keep it coming. Comments, again, please, would love your feedback. We had a lot of feedback the last time around, and I hope that kind of interaction continues. And finally, we also wanted to have a $100 gift card for anybody that wants to send in their best looking dashboards. We call it dashboards. It could be visual applications. It could be other things. Basically, we're talking about anything that you went through as a process that we're going to be describing in today's webinar, and any process that you've gone through and built out an application that you'd like for us to see. Please send it our way, and then there's the best one gets a $100 gift card. With that, I'll hand the head control over to, again, most importantly, speakers. My name is Dinesh Kalyansundaram. I run operations and delivery for Amtex Systems. We have Tim Howard, who's a director of sales solutions. He has been with information builders, or he had been with information builders 10 years prior to that. Extensive experience with the information builders tools, and he's now with Amtex Systems, and he's our solutions director. He's going to be talking about process today. He's going to be talking about the things that lead to effective dashboard builds. Benazir, who you heard last time, talk about best practices for designing a dashboard. She is our senior manager with marketing and and sales enablement activities. She is going to be talking through how to build your visualizations, or how to pick your visualizations, some best practices, some do's, don'ts, and whatnot. We also have Andy Kirby, who's a senior systems engineer with information builders. And all of these concepts, he's going to bring to life. He is the one that will kind of show this show how to kind of walk, how this kind takes life in a web focused tool. So we're excited to see that as well.